Hyundai Santa Cruz. This is what it sounds like before. Go ahead. Very, very quiet. Here's sound decibels. Again. It's right at 84. Barely anything. We'll let you guys hear it after we put the cutout in. Guys, we got a 2023 Hyundai Santa Cruz, fully loaded. Really cool truck, new design. It's got actually a card that you started with. It's a card. No more like key fobs. It's still got the key fob and stuff, but you can start it with a card. You can start with your phone. Really cool. Anyways, what we got done on it, we ordered a new exhaust cutout for it. He wanted sound on demand, so that's what we did. Factory converter up there, resonator there, and then we put an exhaust cutout for him. We got a special one that has a double valve. So it's got a valve in there, and it's got a valve in here. So when this one closes, this one opens. It's really cool. Here's the part number on it, PPY25R. We'll see if we can get you guys a link in the description for it. Anyways, there it is right there. Then what it's got after that, the mechanism is right here, and then we ran it inside through here and into the cigarette lighter, or the whatever charger you call it. Anyways, it's got a muffler in the middle right here, and then another big muffler or resonator in the back right there. Okay, so we'll let you guys hear it with it closed, and then we'll open it up. We'll let you guys hear it with it open. Stay tuned. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Again, here's sound decibels. Again, we're right at 93. Again. Close it. All right, now he has the valve closed. Look at guys. You can't hear it at all. That's so nice. Again. Here's sound decibels with it closed. Again. Right at 83. All right, this is with the valve open. Go ahead. Really nice. Again. Again. This is where they're closed, guys. Look, you can't hear it. It goes back to stock. So on these, the valve is perfect, guys. It's really nice. It's a double valve system. I'll show you guys the cutout. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. That's insane. Enjoy. Find out just for good measure. We have so many drive-offs on this one.